Hey guys, it's Rich with Mowers and Blowers OutDone. Psh, and it is a nice day out here today. Here we are at the auction, and let's see what we got going on. So, ready for Thanksgiving dinner right there. What do we got? What are we looking at here? Guaranteed to start the 7.0 foot-pounds net torque 159cc Toro. This is one of those recycler 22 inches and has electric start on it. Ooh, can tell right there. Well, that ain't gonna work because there's no brake cable on it. So, but it does have electric start. Now this one, the battery is down back in here. So there is your battery inside there. And it does have the plug in it, so that's good because it doesn't have the bag. If you don't have the bag on it and you don't have that plug in there, this is so light that you're going to get grass thrown on you. So that's how that goes. Not a bad mower though, but we'll have to check that out. See if it kind of pulls over. Don't even have to do the brake. It'll pull over, but the brake is on, so you can't even try to start it. Unless you hold that brake, then you can try to start it. What else is down the list here? So, what do we got over here? We got a little North Star. There we go. Powered by Honda. So, it looks like it's been around the block a few times. This power washer. Looks like we got some wood out here, repurposed wood, and some Home Depot. Looks like that's what that kind of looks like. Let's see if it even says on there anything about it. Air fryer. Nope, I don't see if it actually says Home Depot or not, but the Duke. Ooh, that time of the year. Some box lots. So last week it was all raining, and don't know how the sale went because I left early. So I don't know how the rest of it went, but I do see those tires and stuff from last week that are left over. So maybe they didn't sell them, or didn't bring enough money, or somebody bought them and gonna resell them. There's a trimmer, an Echo trimmer. Stihl chainsaw. Let's see what's in here. It's a MS193T. There's the chain down there. Bars on it. Has the little instructions right there. Paint sprayer. Maybe get that for Mr. Rooster. See if he can get this paint sprayer going. He knows about these things, so it's a Graco Magnum LTS15 True Airless. So we'll see if I'm right about this, what this thing is. But I'm going to say paint because paint is on it. Some kind of paint. Looks like it has some kind of paperwork with it. So Mr. Rooster, if you're watching this, can you give us some insight on that? Ooh, this is a nice looking snow blower. Now, what is this on here for like this? Up here, I'm not familiar with that. So if anybody's familiar with why these are on here, what you're going to do with these on there. But this is a Troy built Squall 2100 21-inch electric start 208 cc 4-cycle. So we have, looks like you can turn that right there. That's nice. You don't have to reach up there and do it. Got your little key. Hey, patés. Wonder why it won't start. And it's electric start. So it's that time of the season. See what the paddles look like now. What you can do, one of the things you can do, just see how close your paddles are to the back of this. And if you can stick your hand in there, your fingers in there, then you know these paddles are wore out. So I can't stick my fingers in between there. So it's looking good. Looking good so far. I didn't try to pull it over, but I guess we can. Usually these things do pull over. Really seen ones that are busted up too bad. You know, they probably, a lot of them do get busted. This plastic is kind of cheap on them, but what else we got? Some good stuff up here. Some hunting clothes. It's that time of the year here in Michigan. Good deer hunting season. Anything hidden in here? What do we got in here hidden? Ooh, there we go. There, and we got some drums right there. And the winner is Mowers and Blowers, OutDone. Psh. Now, I think that was here last time. Now this trailer of tires wasn't. Ooh, a rototiller. Here we go. And the book. Look at this, man. Hitting the jackpot with the instructions today on things. MTD with a Predator engine on it. Look at that, guys. You got that Predator in there. A 212cc Predator. So that's a After Effects. Somebody's put that on there. Like I said, last week, these tires and those racks were there. But I don't remember those dishes being there. What do we got across the way? Some nice bicycles there to fix up. We got a couple more push mowers. A yard machine, 500 series. The big wheels on it. That's an easy push. So usually the ones with the big wheels, you don't need the self-propelled because they are easier to push than these ones like this. So here's a Craftsman Platinum engine, 6.75. Here's a snapper. No bag on it. And doesn't look like the self-propelled is hooked up here, guys. So something's a little messed up on that one. So it's now a push mower. Power washer. And a John Deere 175 Hydro. So there we go, 38 inch. That's a big deck there. That one looks good in the shower room. Mr. Rooster. Mr. Rooster. Lots of little wagons out here. Try to walk slow for you guys so you can see some stuff. Man, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 9 or 10 wagons here. Now this was from last auction. Wonder if they're going to resell that. I do remember that from last auction. Ooh, mystery. So we won't be able to see what's underneath there. It's a mystery. Should we peek? Sneak peek. There you go, guys. There's a sneak peek. Some of these, either they got more of these, or they're out here all the time, these NASCAR things. So either they didn't get to this and sell them last week, or they brought some more out here, or somebody bought them to resell them. Some bolts, look at that. Some nice carriage bolts. Washers. I'm telling you, if you need some stuff out here, this is the place to go to get some nuts and bolts and stuff, and you can get them pennies on the dollar. Extension cords there. Got a couple jack lifts, little lifts there. And these are probably the same guy brings these gloves out here all the time. It's a chainsaw. Let's see, Craftsman chainsaw. Can't quite see what's in it. Let's see what we got there. Sears Craftsman. So it's an older one, 16-inch bar. I don't see a model number right off the bat to say, hey, that's what model number it is. Nope. The bar is not attached to it. I don't know if it's in there. It does smell of some ripe gasoline. Part of the auction. What do we got over here? Let's check this out. Oh my. Check this bad boy out. Let's bring it out here so we can look at it a little closer. Oh, in the light. There we go. So, what is this? So we got like maybe an edger going down there. It's cutting something. This little thing's cutting some kind of grass. And let's see what it says on it. Can't really see it. Great State Corp. Shelbyville, Indiana. And I don't know, that may be like somebody's name, Seth or something. Bait bearing. So if you guys have any information on this thing, let me know. This it's very interesting. It's only about 6 inches in width here, or something like that. About that big. It's about that big. But obviously it's gonna cut, and it works. I don't know if this will swing down, because this is a blade on there. That definitely is a blade. That would have to swing down. Yeah, if you guys know anything about this, let me know. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for the auction. Hey, if you guys like what you see, hit that subscribe button. Smash that bell icon and get notified every time I put out a new video. Hey, this is Rich. Mowers and blowers, outdone. Psh. And we'll see you at the auction.